Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the basic Spring Framework interview question. What is a bean factory in Spring? A bean factory is like a factory class that contains collections of beans. The bean factory holds bean definitions of multiple beans within itself and then instantiate the bean when asked by the client. Bean factory is actual representation of the Spring IOC container that is responsible for containing and managing the configured beans. And bean factory managed the entire life cycle of a bean. So you would have seen in the Spring examples an XML file will be there, a configuration XML file. This XML file will have the bean definition. So whenever you start the Spring application, these XML files will be parsed and read. All the bean definitions will be read and it will be registered with the bean factory. So registered, when I say all the information from the XML file will be read and it will be available in the bean factory. And whenever from the outside, when you ask bean factory to give a particular bean, it will instantiate and it will give you. It's like an IOC container. What are the different types of bean scope? Singleton. By default it is singleton. So whenever you define any bean inside the XML file, by default it is singleton. That means always it will return the same instance per Spring IOC container. Whereas prototype, anytime you ask the Spring container, it will give you a new instance, new bean instance. Request return a single bean instance per HTTP request, whereas session per HTTP session, and global session is return single bean instance per global HTTP session and only valid when used in portal context. And this last three is only applicable for web aware application context. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best for your interview. Thank you.